Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing the environment. Connect your device and confirm a DB sees it. Once done, elevate to a DB root or use an elevated shell. Make sure you can run SU if needed. Next, place the system key file where the verifier expects it and set correct permissions. This ensures the verifier can read the key. Finally, restart the verifier service to pick up changes because the system reads keys at startup. Now you run the verifier. Call the verifier binary or trigger the system service with a DB shell commands. While it runs, stream logcat and filter for verifier tags so you can follow signature checks in real time. Make sure you inspect the printed key ID and checksum. These must match the expected certificate chain. If policy files are involved, update them and reload the verifier. This avoids false negatives when signature metadata changes. Finish by applying correct ownership and SE Linux context to the key file, then restart the verifier service, and if needed, reboot the device so contexts fully apply. Once done, rerun the verification and confirm a success message in the logs. If the verifier rejects the key, check the checksum and certificate chain first, then scan logcat for error codes and permission denials. A common fix is correcting file context or updating the verifier policy, which results.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.